Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making this video. I went outside last night and I loved looking at the stars. It was a nice clear night and I decided to have a look around and see what I could capture on my camera. Now I've got no sophisticated camera, all I've got is this Kodak PIXPRO AZ252 camera. As you know, not the most sophisticated camera. It's got a zoom lens of up to times 100, and I captured this on the camera. Now I'll play it and tell me what you think. I was actually outside in my backyard, so it wasn't the best place with the light pollution and everything, but tell me what you think. At the end of this I'll show you on the star map roughly where I was pointing the camera. It's approximately northeast of my position. As I said, if you have any idea what this is, what's going on, please leave a comment down below. I'm sorry about the little bopping around. I was trying to keep it within frame, and there was a little bit of wind and it was knocking the camera a little bit, as you can hear. Just to let you know, to describe my front yard, I have got some lighting just around the corner, so the light pollution doesn't help to get a clear video of this. And the actual distance away from us, no idea. It could be millions of light years away. Now I have had a look around on the internet, on other web pages, to find out, see if anything like this, they've seen anything like this and knew what it was. Unfortunately I haven't found anything yet, but if you do know, please let me know down below. So what I did afterwards, I decided to pack my stuff up, jump in my car, took my little guard dog, well not so little, Zeus, who's currently outside doing whatever he's doing in the front yard, and went to a spot just outside where I live in St Leonard's, where there's no lighting and in a field, and set up there and see if I could find this object and see if I could photograph it. But unfortunately I couldn't, but I did actually come up with something else, so I'll just set up. I'll be back in a sec. Well, the piece of sky that I was actually looking at, as you can see, I've circled. That was the general area I was actually filming that piece of video. I can't be any more precise than that because I haven't got the equipment to give the precise coordinates of the of what was going on. But I went outside Hastings where I live, and it's a nice quiet field where there's no street lights, no traffic, no anything. It's just me, the camera, yes, this little camera here, and my little guard dog. Well, not so little, Zeus. He keeps all the foxes away. And set up and messed around with the settings a little bit, and I took these photographs. Yeah, again, if you know what's going on here, please feel free to let me know. Now, I can promise you these photos haven't been tampered with in any way. I haven't used Photoshop or anything else. These are just the still frames photos that I took and just downloaded them onto my computer. So this is the first one. Now, the one thing I'd like to point out, there are a couple of stars which stay within frame all the time, so it's not a case that the camera's moving or anything else. The next photo, whatever this is got really big. And the next one, and it shrank down. But it seems to be moving around, as you can see. But the camera is still, because this star here, where my pointer is, stays pretty consistent in the shot. And then all of a sudden, it changed to that. Now, there are a few, you could say, about 2-3 minute gaps between the photographs being taken, so, and I hadn't actually changed the settings on this one to see if I could clear it up a little bit. And on the next one, I changed the settings again a little bit more. Yet again, you can still see there's that star still in the same position, and there is another star, I think, just over here, just about to see. But they stay in the frame all the time, so I knew my camera was okay, it wasn't shaking around or anything. And then I took this one. Yeah, again, I just want to point out the cap. There's a star. That star I'm using as a base for the, say, the camera is still, and it did. I captured this. Really strange. And then it moved within about a minute. It moved all the way down here. Yet again, there's a star, just to prove the point that I haven't moved the camera around. But this one, to me, I saw another photograph. I was looking around on the web, and you could almost say this is a binary star, 2 stars, like a binary, and it's drawing off. The small star is drawing off the from the big star. Maybe it is, maybe I don't know. I said I'm no expert, so if anyone's got any ideas, yet again, please comment down below and let me know what you think. But whatever is going on, it's definitely moving around. Again, there's that another star there, that star again, which is on all the photos I took. And yet again, it's moved up. I don't know if they're fighting each other or what's going on, but definitely strange, isn't it? There the photos go. Unfortunately, I couldn't take any more photos. Unfortunately, my batteries ran out and I didn't take my spares with me. Well, if you've got any ideas of what's going on there, please let me know down below in the comments. And again, if you like, share and turn on the notifications. We'll be getting a much better camera. I've got one on the way, the Nikon P1000 with a much better lens and much better setup, so hopefully I'll get some better photographs of our lovely night sky. But I'd like to just say, anyone thinking I'm a conspiracy theorist or anything, I'm not. I'm just looking at the store. There's someone at the door. Alright, lovely to speak to you. I'll speak to you soon.